Guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. In today's video I'm going to share with you another Shabby Chic paint project. So I am super excited to make over this thrift store frame. I found it with just an old canvas print in it, and I've had this peony canvas print at home that I really want to find a frame for. So when I found this and it was the perfect size, I was over the moon thrilled. I went ahead and just grabbed a can of cheap Dollar General paint. I don't normally do that. I usually spend money on my paint. So we'll see how this project is going to go. I'll give you guys a review on the paint, what I thought about the Dollar General paint, and hopefully it's going to turn out perfect for this. If not, I can always go grab another can of spray paint or redo it. So I'm super excited to share this. It is 9:30 in the morning here and it's already about 95 degrees. So wish me luck. I already feel like a hot mess just because it's so hot already. I have on my pink apron. You guys know me. I love to craft in this apron. I know it's probably for cooking, but I'm always crafting in this apron. I love the length of it because it really covers. And so anyway, without further ado, let's get to this paint project. So the first thing I want to do for this paint project is give my frame a good cleaning. I chose the Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray in the honeysuckle. I absolutely love the honeysuckle scent. It is so delicious. If you guys have a chance to try it, I believe it's seasonal, but it's on the Grove Collaborative website right now, and so go ahead and grab that up. I do have a coupon code that's linked down below if you guys want to use that to get a 5-piece starter set, so I definitely recommend the honeysuckle scent. And I chose this Dollar General paint not really because any reason except for it was just convenient. I had to stop and pick up toilet paper and I was at Dollar General. I did not want to drive into town. I'm from a tourist town and sometimes the traffic can be crazy, and I just wanted to get this project started. So I did use Dollar paint. I will say it actually worked okay. Just for this little small project, I felt like it was fine. I definitely wouldn't want to use it if I was doing something major. The only thing I didn't like about it for this was that the nozzle on the top was really hard to push down, and I have neuropathy in my hands, and so that made it fairly difficult, but it wasn't the end of the world, and I was able to get this mirror nice and painted. I did go through an entire can though, just to make sure I had full coverage. Okay, so definitely if this was a bigger project, I would have gone for more expensive paint. Comment and let me know. Do you guys ever cheat and use dollar store paint? But it worked fine, I feel like. And here is the big reveal. After 2 coats, this beautiful thrift store find came out absolutely gorgeous. My peony picture fit perfect in it. And as you guys can see also, remember over the weekend I told you that I had painted a bunch of furniture, and here's my craft table. I also painted it white, added this beautiful picture, and I'm now totally in love with this space. Comment and let me know, what do you guys think? Is it gorgeous? I did distress the frame just a bit and I think it made it look perfect. So thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you had fun and are motivated to do a little project. I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.